Number 4. We know that a man went out of his house for sightseeing and came back. Initially, his meter reading was 12352 kilometers, and after 2 hours, it was 12416 kilometers. So the total distance covered by the man is the final distance minus the initial distance. That is the distance that his meter read at before he left the house, which is 64 kilometers in total. Now we know that this distance was covered in a time duration of 2 hours. So the speed will be equals to distance by time, which is 64 kilometers divided by 2 hours. That is 64 by 2 equals to 32 kmph or kilometers per hour. This is the speed. Now we talk about the velocity of the car. We know that the man went out of his home for sightseeing and then came back home. So when we calculate displacement, we talk about the initial and final position. We know that here initial position is equals to final position, therefore the displacement done by the man or his car is 0. Therefore velocity equals to 0. We know that velocity is a vector quantity and hence we get velocity equals to 0.